Welcome to section 4.2, which is called surface integrals, and which might be, maybe I say this is my favorite section in the module. So in this section, we are going to be doing integrals on a surface. So let me try to explain what I mean by that. So the way we have progressed so far in the previous section 4.1 is we started by single integrals, which were integrals on an interval. This was one-dimensional integrals. Then we moved to double integrals, and this was an integral on either a rectangular interval or even some weird shape in the xy plane. Yeah. And then we went on to three-dimensional volume integrals, so triple integrals, which were either on a cube, cuboid, or also on some shapes on 3 dimensions. Yeah. But now we are going kind of to go backwards, because, for example, knowing what you know now, you were able to calculate the volume of a sphere, you were able to calculate the surface area of a disk, but would you be able to calculate the surface area of a sphere? So not really, right? Because to calculate surface area, you need to do a double integral of dA. But how do you define a sphere? You can only, so far, you can only define shapes in a flat domain. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. So we are going to go kind of work our way backwards. So we are going to go back to 2 dimensions, but now our surfaces are going to be able to be curved surfaces. So something like this. Okay. So we are going to be able to do integrals on curved surfaces. And for example, we will be able to calculate the surface area of a sphere. And in the next chapter 4.3, we will go back one more step to 1 dimension, but we will do integrals on curved lines on the 3-dimensional space. So we can integrate along a curved line. Okay, so this is where we are now. We went from 1 to 2 to 3 dimensions, but always in flat regions. So now we are going back to 2 dimensions, but using curved surfaces. So let's go to it. I hope you enjoy it. The first part will be, I will focus on describing mathematically surfaces such as this, how to describe the surface mathematically. Then I will focus a second part on how to calculate surface integrals on those surfaces. And then the third part is very important, is the calculation of flux, which is a really important concept. And those will be the 3 main blocks of this chapter 4.2. So see you in the chapter, see you in the next video. Bye.